Maliwanag, di siya kita.
Don't trouble sleep, and when our breaks, no, we don't break even. No, what am I gonna do when the best part of me was always you? And what am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces. You got his heart in my heart and I know the pain. You took the suitcase and I took the blame. Now I'm trying to make sense of what little remains. Oh, cause you left me no love to my name. Still alive but I'm burning feeling. It's praying to a God that I don't believe in. Cause I got time while he got freedom. Heart breaks so we don't break even. What am I gonna do when the best part of me was always you? And what am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces.
Masilang, hindi makita sila Charlotte.
Traffic linis ni Note.
Nainggit ka?
Hindi ako nainggit, baka tulak kita siya.
Alam mo, papapicture ka, magsalita ka.
Ano ba yung video?
Video yan, gaga.
Fuck you!
Aba, ang dami na sabihin naman. Pag nandun ako sa harap, walang makita, puro puti. Diyan ka na lang.
Did he take my heart away?
Sa ulo ah.
Oy!
Maninira.
Ate, cancel mo.
Ang dahil palang talento niya. Adequate.
Oo, dapat mag-picture naman tayo. Ano may ano mag-picture?
Yeah. Kung banggain.
Believe in me. I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till you take my heart away. Away,
So much. That was
Connie!
lot and friends.
Yeah! Say hi!
Si Lot pala talaga.
Magaling naman si Lotlot, di ba?
Ay, matutuwa sila sa susunod nating
Oo, kilabot na tayo.
Nice day!
Ano sitio ba yung kabila, sis? Yung sa may
Senior
Honda.
po, Honda. Ano ba Honda?
O, taga-singko. Taga-singko naman.
Sam!
Ay, naku, may pala.
Ano papatayin mo?
May pala.
Okay, pati natin yung mga taga-singko naman.
Hey, Charlotte! Close mo na!
Nakikita ako.
Paano masyadong masilaw?
Logo.
Okay,
Kasi ang submit natin ang candidate
Yung kamay mo eh.
contestant for Mr. Ginado ay si
Take away!
Matt Diaz.
Walang sa natin.
Ako rin na Diaz.
Kasi i-tell natin